We have also discussed this, who founded Anhilwat Patan. As we know, Vanraj Chawda, when he recaptured his kingdom, his friend Anhil Barwad helped him, and so that to honor him, he gave the name Anhilwad as a new capital when he established. Then it was, who was the last ruler of Waghela dynasty? Karandev Waghela, as we have discussed, he was the last ruler of Waghela dynasty, and he was defeated by Delhi's Sultanate. And then after, Sultanate age started in Gujarat. Then we discuss short note. First one, we have discussed about the qualities of Rajput. Here we have seen Rajputs were brave, determined, they never escaped from the battlefield, they were ready to die and sacrifice themselves for everyone. Even Rajput females, they were also brave, they involved in war, and they sent their husband, brothers, son in battlefield with smiling face. Then next short note we have discussed, it was trade and commerce in Rajput age. In Rajput age, as we know, trade and commerce, there was not any separate department for trade and commerce. There were different types of taxes. Most important was land revenue. It was sixth part of total production. Then after, there were two major ports in Gujarat from where international trade was going on. They were Khambat and Bharuch. From these two ports, international trade was going on in Gujarat. Now we are moving towards next question. Answer the following question. Soon slide will be on your screen. Okay, today Bhimjiai Niva.
Yes.
You will read first when you get the slide. Not this. Not this. Next slide. Answer the following question.
Okay.
Yeah, today it is taking much time. I think that might be technical error. Yeah.
Mention any three Rajput dynasty of North India.
Yeah, anyone can answer without checking the book? Yes? Anyone? Okay, then continue. Answer is going on to your screen. Read question first, then answer.
Mention any three Rajput dynasties of North India. After the death of Harshvardhan, his large empire was divided into many smaller states as Samantas and
Zamindar
Zamindars declared themselves as a separate
kingdoms.
kingdom. Thus, many dynasties have come into. Sir, the screen is not
Exist.
coming.
Coming, but one by one it is coming.
They were Chauhans, Parmars, Solankis, etc.
Yeah, three dynasty of North India. I have written three by which we are familiar and you can remember easily because Chauhan, this surname may be the student of your classmate, Parmar, as well as Solanki. So I mentioned these three so that it is easier for you to remember. Now our question is three dynasty of North India. As we know, after the death of Harshvardhan, his large empire, Thaneshwar, the capital of his empire was Thaneshwar. It was divided into smaller states because Samantas, Zamindar, or the other words we can say feudal lord. They declared themselves as a separate kingdoms. And thus, new dynasty have come into existence in India. Here, major of them, or we can say three of them, they were Chauhan, Solanki, and Parmar. You can also write other dynasty which are given in textbook. Very good. Now, next question is there. Ashnani Kavya. Okay,
Mention any three Rajput dynasties of South India after the death of Pulkeshi II.
similar to last question.
Sir, I know
See,
two
just a minute.
dynasties.
Just a minute. Similar to last question. Only change is in place of Harshvardhan, Pulkeshi II, and three dynasty Parmar, Chauhan, and Solanki. In place of, we have mentioned another three dynasties. Okay, continue question with answer.
After the death of Pulkeshi II, his large empire was divided into many smaller states as Samantas and Zamindars declared themselves as a separate kingdoms. Thus, many dynasties have come into existence. They were Chalukyas, Pandyas,
Rashtrakuta.
Rashtrakuta, etc.
Okay, no problem. Similar answer. Last one was related to North India. This is related to South India. In North India, as we know, after the death of Harshvardhan, in South India, the big empire was Pulkeshi II. And so that after the death of Pulkeshi II, same thing happened. His large empire was divided into smaller states. How? Samantas, Zamindars, who maintain smaller areas and collect taxes on behalf of kings. They declared themselves as a separate kingdoms. And thus, this dynasty, many dynasties come into existence. If we discuss about South India, the dynasties were Chalukya, Pandya, and Rashtrakuta. Here we have mentioned three dynasties which are easier to remember. Next question, it is going to be present on your screen. Don't write so many comments. Korat Dvija.
Okay, sir. Who was the
Just a minute. Let the answer present on screen.
okay?
Today it is taking much time. Might be some technical error. Okay, now you can start.
Okay. Who was the first Sultan of Gujarat? Answer. The Sultan of Gujarat was established in 1407 CE by Zafar Khan, who was appointed governor of the region by the Delhi Sultan Muhammad bin
Tughlaq.
Tughlaq. Ahmad Shah was the first independent Sultan of Gujarat who founded Ahmedabad in 1411 CE.
Yeah. 1407. As we know, Gujarat Sultanate was established by Delhi. Gujarat was defeated by Delhi, as we know, Karandev Waghela. And the Delhi Sultan, Zafar Khan, a Delhi Sultan appointed Zafar Khan as a governor of Gujarat. The Delhi Sultan was Muhammad bin Tughlaq. But Ahmad Shah, he was the first independent sultan. Listen, Zafar Khan was appointed sultan, and independent sultan was Ahmad Shah of Gujarat, who established new city Ahmedabad in 1411. Thus, we can also say the first sultan of Gujarat was Ahmad Shah. Very good. Now, third question. Third is this. Fourth one. Yes, I am searching new name if I found.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, I am searching the name, but only repeating. Okay, Makwana Misbah.
Yes, sir.
Let the correct answer on your screen, then start.
Which public river walk?
Others, just a minute. Others, switch off mic.
Which public river walks were done by Queen Meena Devi? Answer. Queen Meena Devi
Minal
is
Devi.
remembered as an obey and just administrator. She also managed affairs of state, built several monuments and lakes, and was responsible for the reduction of the tax on pilgrims visited the Somnath temple. Two lakes built in their period were minerals or monuments near Viragam and Malwa at Dholka in Ahmedabad.
Queen Minal Devi. You heard many stories related to her. She was the mother of Siddharth Chaisi. She is remembered as able and just administrator. She also managed the state affairs. She has constructed or built many monuments and lakes during her time. We all aware with the story of pilgrim tax of Somnath. She reduced as a story once she was on the visit of Somnath, on where she met some saints, and saints requested that without visiting Somnath, they return back because of they do not have tax or money to pay tax. And so that she reduced the tax. Similarly, she had constructed two lakes, Minalsar or Munsar. These are the name of same lake, Minalsar or Munsar. It is in Viramgam nowadays, and Malwa. It is in Dholka Taluka, Ahmedabad district. Do you remember anything related to Queen Minal Devi in our region? Anyone? Okay. How many of you visited Ghela Somnath? Near Jasdan. It is history of Ghela Somnath related to Minal Devi. Besides this, how many of you have visited Virpur?
I.
Virpur has
I.
where there is parking. Where there is parking in Virpur behind temple, there is a step well, Minal Wow. It is also constructed during the time of Queen Minal Devi. Many of us visit that wow. It may be possible some of you have visited that wow in Virpur. Step well, આપણે જેને પગથિયા વાળો કહીએ ને એ. Very good. Now we are moving towards objective type questions. Yeah. After the death of which king in North India, small states become independent? Who will read the question with answer?
Sir, I.
Okay.
After the death of which king in North India, small states become independent? Answer.
B option Harshvardhan.
Very good. Answer is Harshvardhan. Second one. Who will read with answer?
Sir, I.
Yes.
Okay. By what name was the kingdom of Bundelkhand later known? Bundelkhand later known. Uh, Ud-
Yes, it is answer A. Jejak Bhukti.
Jejak Bukti.
Third one. Okay, you continue.
Okay. Which of the following is not included among the rulers of Parman dynasty?
Yes. According to you, who is not belong to Parmat dynasty?
Uh, Siak.
No, better. Kumarpal. Belong to Solanki dynasty, Gujarat. Kumarpal was the correct answer. Next one.
Which dynasty ruled over Bengal in 8th century?
Yeah, can you image?
I know.
Okay, answer. Which one?
Parmar.
No. Parmar was in Andhra Pradesh, Bhopal.
Parmar.
Parmar was in Bhopal.
Pallav.
Answer. Pallav. C. Pallav dynasty was in Bengal. Keep in mind there are two dynasties, Pallav and Pallav. In Pallav, double L, Pallav, single L. This kind of problems will be there in Make the following. Next, read beta.
Can I read?
Oh, who was reading last four?
Yes, I.
Continue.
During the rule of which dynasty Rani Ki Vav was constructed?
Yes.
I know.
Solanki.
Solanki. Solanki.
Because Rani Ki Vav was
Solanki.
Queen Udaymati. So, the answer is Solanki. Now make the following. Anyone can answer for, first of all, read yourself.
Sir, I.
Giving a few seconds, not I. I am giving a few seconds. Answer must be by you. At last, I will present the answer. Yes. Who can read and answer?
I read.
Yes. What's your name? First of all, inform yourself.
Jai.
Yeah, full name better.
Saroya Jai.
Very good. Read question with answer.
First, Sen dynasty. Answer Vijay Sen 1.
Very good.
Second, Solanki dynasty. Gumarpal.
Correct. बेटा
Third,
तो समझी क्यों गैस हमारी ट्रिक
Pallav dynasty. Govind III.
अरे सर कलर हरका चाहिए आंसर से
कलर नहीं से लखी दो हां कलर नहीं से
यस सर कलर हरका
Pallav dynasty listen third is Pallav fifth one is Pallav so keep in mind only one L is added in last one yes Pallav dynasty
Govind III.
Very good.
Rashtrakuta dynasty. Narsi Varma II.
Very good.
Pallav dynasty. Gopal.
very good correct one